Let's go back to this side. And, let's just, I'm pleased with this one. I don't know if they're demons. I don't know if they're aliens. I don't know if they're from here. I don't know who these guys are, but the president wants to say hi. I would say it would be really hard for them to deny they don't know these guys are here. That's a great picture. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Let me know what you think, who you think these people are. I guess they're not that dangerous. Maybe they are, but I don't know. They could grab you and nobody would know you were gone.